at home. So you can check down the recipe. This is very delicious, very tasty and very easy. So you check it out, try it at home and tell me how it turned out for you. If you like the recipe, click on the like button, share it with your friends and also subscribe for more such delicious recipes and delicacies on the plate. Matar paneer, I'll start to heat up a pan and first I'll make the masala which I'm going to grind it. So in a pan add around 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. Now in this add half teaspoon of cumin seeds, and when the cumin seeds flutter, add 2 small pieces of cinnamon stick, 2 small green cardamom and 4 to 5 cloves. Add 2 red chilies, just cut it into half and add it to the oil. Mix it well. Now to this add 1 to 1.5 inches of ginger which I have chopped. 10 to 12 garlic cloves. Just I'm adding whole to it because all will be grinded. Also add 10 to 12 pieces of cashews. And when it turns golden in color, cashews and the garlic, I'll add the onions, 2 medium sized onions chopped. Now add the onions. And now I'll cook this till onion turns golden in color. I'll add little bit of salt so that these onions turn golden in color. This is one tip, very important tip and very useful tip to save your time. So this will help the onions to caramelize faster. Now to this I'm adding, this is 2 big tomatoes which I have diced and chopped. Now I'll cook this till it becomes tender. It mixes well. Now you can see the tomatoes have also cooked well and it has got mixed with the masala. So I'll now switch off the flame. Now I'll wait for this masala to cool down and then I'll grind it. Now this masala has cooled down. I'll take it in a jar and if required I'll add around half cup of water and I'm going to grind it. Now I'll start to heat up the same pan. If you want you can change the kadai. To this I'll add another 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm adding 1 small onion which I have chopped and roast this till it turns golden brown in color. After it starts to turn golden in color, add a bowl of green peas. This is red peas, you can also use frozen one. Add that and cook it for 3 to 4 minutes. To this add the paste and I'll cook this till it starts to leave oil from the side. So after the masala starts to leave oil from the sides, I'll add all the other dry spices, that is half teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon of coriander powder, half teaspoon of garam masala, this is 1 teaspoon of red chili powder and 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder. So I'll add all to it and now mix this well. After adding the masala, cook for around 1 minute and then add water to it. Mix this well. Water you can add up to your desired consistency. So after the curry starts boiling, I'll add the paneer. Paneer is, you can add it in 2 ways. Either you can fry it first to golden color and then add it. I'm adding it as it is. Here the paneer is around 1.5 bowls or 250 grams. After the curry starts to boil, lower the heat, lower the flame and then add the paneer cubes to it, the cottage cheese cubes to it. And now mix it well. Add salt to taste. And now I'll simmer this on a low heat for 5 minutes. I'll keep this covered and cover this. After 4 to 5 minutes, add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream to it. And mix it well. Finally garnish with fresh coriander leaves, finely chopped, and matar paneer is ready to serve.